How would the Alvarez theory be weakened? Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A, the crater is measured to be deeper than estimated. The second paragraph mentions that the Alvarez theory gained some steam when this crater was discovered. So if this crater is believed to be bigger than it was first discovered, it only adds more support to the theory. However, we are looking to weaken the theory. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice B, some meteorites from the Cretaceous period contain high traces of iridium. The passage mentions that the key evidence in the theory is the high amount of metal iridium in the rocks. So if meteoroids are found to contain iridium, it simply strengthens the theory that a meteoroid slammed into Earth and caused the extinction. So this answer choice strengthens rather than weakens the theory. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice C, a fish colony near the Yucatan Peninsula died around 66 million years ago. If this is true, it indicates that the meteor strike which created the crater in the peninsula also created the extinction of this fish colony. Similar extinction supports the idea that the creation of the crater is also associated with the extinction of dinosaurs. So this answer choice supports the theory. However, we are looking to weaken the theory. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice D, high traces of iridium were found in a volcano in the Cretaceous period. The second paragraph mentions that the Alvarez theory is based on the evidence that there is high amount of metal iridium in the rock layers containing dinosaur fossils. If a volcano rather than a meteor could have caused the rocks to have high traces of iridium, it weakens the idea that meteoroid strike led to the extinction of dinosaurs. So this answer choice weakens the theory. Let's keep this on hold. Answer choice E, the Yucatan Peninsula moved to a different location 30 million years ago. The passage mentions that the crater exists in the peninsula, where the peninsula was 66 million years ago and whether the peninsula moved to its current location 30 million years ago. This information has no bearing over this particular theory. The theory requires only the presence of the crater. The present location of the peninsula where the crater was found, that has no bearing on the argument. So this answer choice can be eliminated. D is the correct answer.